Hey guys, I'm just going to show you really quickly a little bit about Google Classroom, where to find things, and also how to get onto your Epic account if you're having a little trouble with that. So first of all, when you sign on to Google Classroom, make sure you're using your Google account from the school. I sent out an email with all that information. If you can't find it or you're not sure, just let me know and I'll send it to you again. So you're going to click on our classroom and it automatically takes you to Stream. So this is not really the best way to view Google Classroom. I would suggest to go to Classwork. So here you will find things broken down into categories and it will be a little bit easier to navigate. So we've got our important things up here at the top. We have our community circle here, and we have our weekly learning plans. So this is where you will find what you need to do for the week. This one, optional activities for early finishers, this is a whole bunch of really cool stuff that you can do when you're done your work. So if you have some extra time, you need a brain break, you could do a 5-minute workout, you could do a dance along video. There's Prodigy here, Tumble books, there's music things from Mrs. Millie. So there's lots of cool stuff to check out if you need a little bit more activities to do. All right, so let's look at Epic. So at the top, you will see Epic link. I'm going to click on that. And here's your instructions. I'm going to walk you through how to use this. If you are using a laptop or a computer, this is how you will log on. If you are using a tablet or a phone, you probably downloaded the Epic app, so you should have that already all set up. But if you're using a computer, this is what you need to do. You need to click on the link, which will take you to a page that looks like this. Okay, on this page, you're going to go to Students and Educators. You're going to click Enter our class code. You can see I've already signed in like this before, so it already pops it up. So you should only have to enter your class code the first time, and then after that, it should remember. Class code is right here, RIY 9708. RIY 9708, and then go. It will take you to a page that looks like this. So here is all of our classmates. You need to find your name and click on your picture. So I made myself an account, so I'm right here. I'm going to click on it. And when I have new books that I want you to read, they will pop up and look like this. So if you are ready to start reading this book, you can click check it out. If you're not quite ready to start reading this yet, you can just close and you will be able to find those books here in your mailbox. So this will, once you click on mailbox, it'll show you the books that I have assigned for you to read. Okay, so this week coming up, I assigned everybody to read this book here. All right, so you can go full screen if you would like, make it a little bit bigger. When you see the arrow that looks like this, that's going to go to the next page. If you need to go back, go to the other side. If you have a word you're not quite sure what it means, you can just click on it.
Passing.
It will read it to you and it'll tell you what it means. Okay? When you are done, you can just go back up. Put your mouse by the top and just close, and it'll take you back to the main page. There is tons of stuff to try out here on Epic. All kinds of books. There's comic books, graphic novels. There's some that will read to you. There's videos. There's also audiobooks. So if you want to listen to a book, maybe while you're coloring or doing something else, you could do that option. But important thing for you to know is how to find the books that I have assigned for you. So click on your mailbox and it'll show you which books that I have assigned for you to read. All right, I hope that clears it up a little bit for you and helps you out. And I will talk to you again soon.